Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how to make a knit stitch in Tunisian crochet. I already have my foundation row here. So to make your knit stitch you need to figure out where to insert your hook. So if you look at these stitches, oh by the way, if you are not aware of how to make the foundation row, I have a separate tutorial for that which you can find in a link to in the description below. So for the knit stitch, so if you look at two stitches from the previous row, there is a space between the two stitches, so we are not interested in that. But if you take one stitch, you can see two vertical bars of the same stitch, the one in front and the one in back. So you have to insert your hook in between these two stitches here. So that is where you will insert your hook in every stitch from the previous row to make the knit stitch. So I'm going to start doing that. So find the space between the two vertical bars and insert your hook there, yarn over and pull through. Continue doing that throughout the row. So find the space between the two stitches, the two vertical bars, and yarn over, pull through. So I'm going to continue doing this. And that's the last one. So to make the last stitch, I insert my hook into the there are two vertical bars here. So the last stitch is made differently. If you see, there are a total of 3 vertical bars. This one at the back, and then there are 2 here. So I'm going to insert my hook so that I pick up the last 2 vertical bars, yarn over and pull through. So that's my last stitch. So that's how it looks. Can't really see much right now, but to make the reverse pass, you chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for the rest. And so you will see that the stitches on the foundation row look like knit stitches now. So every row you make in Tunisian crochet really defines the row that was made before it. So the row that you just made is not a row of knit stitches, the one before that is. So this row is a row of knit stitches. I'm going to make one more. So we don't do anything with the first loop, we just let it be, and then we find the next stitch, the 2 vertical bars of the next stitch, and insert our hook in between and yarn over, pull through, and we do this all the way till the end. And for the last stitch, again we find the last 2 vertical bars, insert our hooks, so we pick those both, yarn over, pull through, and that's how it is. And I'm going to chain and yarn over, pull through 2 all the way to the beginning. So if you see here, this is how it looks, and here is the reverse. So it's quite pretty in the back as well, actually. If you're making a large project, it is sort of a reversible project because it will look different on both sides, but it will be nice and neat at the back as well. That's all about the knit stitch. Oh yes, so this stitch curls a lot. So if you see that you're pushing all the extra fabric to the back, all this extra yarn at the back, and that makes this curl. So you need to make sure you have an appropriate size hook. Go up a size if needed, because this one really curls a lot. All right, I will see you in my other videos. Bye.